Hi, my name is Eddie Tritton and I'm the Executive Director of SMU Executive Development. We all know that businesses today are facing an ever-increasing amount of volatility, uncertainty, complexity and ambiguity. Leaders today need to think differently, behave differently and develop a different mindset to navigate the complexity and uncertainty of geographies, functions, industries and organisations to deliver the organisational change needed to remain sustainable and prosperous. But to achieve this, organisations need to focus on both individual development as well as organisational development. For this to occur, context matters more to leadership today than ever before. Leaders need to make sense with unfamiliar contexts and to apply what they know in the right measure at the right time.
I'm Dr. Flossie Joseph and I serve as the Program Director of the Excel Leadership Program. The journey of designing and curating the Excel Leadership Program has been truly remarkable. Our deliberate choice to limit the number of seats for each cohort has created an intimate and engaging environment, ensuring that each participant receives personalized attention and support. What sets this program apart is the remarkable diversity among the participants, representing a wide range of nationalities and sectors, resulting in cross-pollination of ideas, proven instrumental in expanding perspectives and enriching the overall learning experience.
Hi, I'm François Bogach and my session is about adaptive leadership. The whole trick of that idea is that there's a significant difference in terms of how we address complex situations compared to less complex, often called complicated situations. So the whole promise of the session is to help the participants to be able to make a difference between complicated and complex, apply that to their situations, the leadership challenges that they face in their organization, on their job, and help them tackle those complex situations in a different way.
Hi, my name is Mark Chong and I'm a communications professor at the Lee Kong Chian School of Business at SMU. In my executive presence course in the Excel Leadership Program, you will learn about the importance of nonverbal communication and behaviors, namely the use of body language, the use of voice, and the use of linguistics to help you project greater warmth and competence, because the projection of warmth and competence can help you to become more persuasive as a leader.
Hello, my name is Les Buckley and I'm an adjunct member of the Singapore Management Business School. My role is to engage participants with strategic leadership. My model for strategic leadership is to link together the leader, the environmental context that they're working in, and the team itself.
Join our open, inspiring learning environment to challenge your individual and organisational perspectives, expand your horizons and unlock your individual and organisational potential. We look forward to sharing a conversation with you to help your organisation.